Completed in 1911, Leven Oaks was the second large hotel in Monrovia, coming in to replace the outdated La Vista Grande Hotel, which stood where City Hall is today. After years of citizens supposedly thinking and dreaming hotel, the construction was secured by Louis B. Vollmer, and the building was paid for by Monrovia citizens. Vollmer ran the hotel until 1939, when his son took over, after whom it was sold to various families over the years. The present owner has been maintaining the building for 20 years. The hotel got its name from the 11 oak trees that were at the site during the time the building was erected. Some of the trees are still standing today. Although the structure has undergone a few renovations, the lobby inside has been restored and looks as it did when it was built. In 1966, the hotel was made into an assisted living facility for senior citizens and remains so today. Thanks for visiting the Leven Oaks Hotel. If you'd like to continue the tour, the closest stops are number 3, which is 136 North Ivy Avenue, and number 4, City Hall.